We gather here at this beautiful church to celebrate this marriage and invoke the blessings of God upon this new couple. It was God's plan that men and women should be united or joined together. God created women to be the companion for man. So they should live together, love each other, and support each other. As the book of Genesis, as we have just listened, tells us, therefore a man shall leave his father and mother and clings to his wife. They become one flesh. So from now onwards, Deborah and Lewis will also become one flesh, united, no longer two, but one. That means the concern of Deborah should be the concern of Lewis.
Congratulations, Lewis and Deborah!
Love is patient, love is kind, it bears all things, hopes all things, and endures all things. They will be joined together, they'll become husband and wife till the end of their lives. They will have to love each other in good times and bad times, in sickness and health. They will love each other, honor and respect each other till the end. God has blessed them through the sacrament of matrimony.